back at it again. It's been several months. Had a baby, had life, but we're back at it again. We're at the Fort Desoto ride, Eggmont Key, Skyway Bridge. A lot of heads out here today. Follow us as we ride. Let's go. Made it. We're over here at Passage Key Island. All the skis out here. There's at least a couple hundred out here. Everybody's having a good time. We're posting up for a little bit, then we're gonna make our way out to the Skyway Bridge. Stay tuned. I'm gonna have some new photos, some new video footage of that. So keep watching. Turnout. Yo, catch us in a minute. We're gonna be at Eggmont Key.